Now let us discuss 105. The freezing point diffraction constant Kf of a benzene is here given. Kf is constant. Kf equal to 5.12 kg mole inverse. And the freezing point depression for the solution of molality here given molality 0.078. You have to calculate the freezing point depression. Freezing point depression is denoted by del Tf equal to question mark. We know the formula del Tf equal to Kf into m. Now substitute the above values in given formula. You will get del Tf equal to Kf value constant, that means 5.12 kg mole inverse into molarity 0.078. By multiplying 5.12 into 0.078, you will get 0.399. Nearest value 0.40 Kelvin. Freezing point of diffraction value is equal to 0.40. So among the four options, three options satisfied.